The meaning of life has no definition. It's never the same. How it's different makes it unique. For every living soul. My meaning of life is like a tree filled with leaves. Some leaves fall and others don't. Like the million of stars stuck in the space, waiting to be discovered. Like fire can cause war or peace. Like money used and wasted, abused and hated, loved and wanted. But is there a meaning to it? Is there a meaning to your life? I don't know. You decide.